Recently I found this picture on the internet. It's a view from Lowndes Park, Chesham, England, taken in 1964. The Beatles were all the rage, and I would have been 6. In the summer of 1963, we left Canada for England and moved into 41 Kirtle Road on a dead-end street of row housing. Just over the hill crest is the dairy farm me and the Bleasdale brothers discovered on one of our weekend adventures. And there were many adventures. I can see the roof of the train station, the end of the Metropolitan line from London, the train Dad would take into the city each Monday and return Friday afternoon. Then there's Scuttle's Pond, where I learned to skip stones and catch frogs, and the parallel bars, where on a dare I'd attempted to hang upside down, only to fall head first, and the bench where an older man, after witnessing the fall and my bloody scalp, yelled out, "Better get him to a hospital before he bleeds to death." Then there's the path by the bench, heading off to the right, that crosses Bury Lane on its way to St. Mary's Church. The church where my sister Jane, while running during the Community May Day celebration, cut her neck on a wire holding up a helium-filled balloon. The same Bury Lane, when one late afternoon, leaving Lowndes Park, 2 older boys, scruffy and menacing, wearing knee socks, gray shorts, and cardigans, passed by me and snarled, "Hey, Yankee, go home."